morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a what I ate today, and today I have a little bit more planned, so I thought this would be a fun day to film this. Plus I'm off work, I have to go grocery shopping, and then my boyfriend is coming over later. If you're like me, I like to see what people eat, and it does kind of help me stay motivated to eat healthy. So I hope that this video does the same for you guys watching. Oh, before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite thing to eat is, like your favorite meal. I kind of say this every time, but I'm pretty sure my favorite meal is eggs, bacon, and hash browns, which I'm not even eating this for breakfast today, but let's go make breakfast. So here I am making my smoothie for breakfast. I'm using some almond milk, and then I have a really big collection of different superfood powders. Today I've decided to use 3, so I have this one, which is adaptogen blend. This is maca, reishi, and ashwagandha. These all help with stress and fatigue. I'm using my Argain protein powder, and then lastly I have Schisonder powder, which is also an adaptogen. This plant comes from China and it has berries on it. This balances your mood, increases energy, fights stress. So I'm just here drinking my smoothie. I'm actually on Pinterest trying to find a recipe I can cook for dinner because my boyfriend's coming over, so I usually like to find something that's like not boring. I kind of started my morning late, so I'm probably gonna eat lunch after this, and then at some point today I will be going grocery shopping. For lunch, I'm gonna be having some of this spicy Italian sausage from Costco. This is seriously the best sausage I've ever had. And then I'm gonna saute some vegetables. Excuse my dirty air fryer, I need to clean it. So what I do is just wrap it in tin foil and then put it in the air fryer. Shout out to my boyfriend for getting me this. It's the best thing ever. So whenever I saute vegetables, I usually used to always use coconut oil. Don't get me wrong, like the taste of coconut oil isn't that bad. It's just if you cook with it, it kind of makes your food taste like it. So I recently have been using avocado oil, which is also a very healthy fat. Actually, I decided that I'm also making tea. If you guys are looking for a really good tea, I highly recommend this one. This is the green tea passion fruit matcha, and it also has caffeine, which is a good thing because I have a lot going on today. Okay, I am now going to the store. Here is an OOTD that no one asked for. Pants are from Yes Style. This top is from Zaffle. These earrings are from The Moods, which too expensive, don't get them. And then my second haul, these are peridot stones. It's my birthstone. I don't know why, I just felt the need to share that because this is what I eat today. I was actually planning on filming a week in my life, but it ended up not working out. But I was gonna share this. My boyfriend got me this orchid for Valentine's Day. I think that's so sweet. Let's go to Sprouts. On my way right now, and I just appreciate today so much. Like, today is such a beautiful day. Brent made me an acai bowl. What did you use?
A little bit of mangoes, frozen pineapple, and then vanilla almond stuff. That's about it. Oh, and protein powder.
Basically made the smoothie I had earlier.
Oh, my bad.
It is 5:30 right now, so I was running a little bit late. I just got done grocery shopping. I needed something to eat, so I was like, just make me an acai bowl. This is my new vlog. So for dinner, I'm making zucchini noodle chicken pesto pasta. So in order to make zucchini noodles, you're gonna need a spiralizer. If you don't have this, then I don't know what to tell you. But also Trader Joe's does have frozen zucchini noodles, but I prefer, get over here.
I'm still too tall for this.
I prefer doing fresh noodles. This looks so weird. Oops. Here are my zucchini noodles. And then I have the chicken. You need cherry tomatoes. Most importantly, you need your basil pesto. He literally only comes over just to eat my food. Also, I forgot I had this in the fridge, so I'm also making garlic bread to go with our pasta. I honestly didn't even know they had this. If you're gluten-free, it's not too bad. So the way I'm cooking it, I saw it on TikTok. What's it called? Searing?
Yeah, searing them.
Next, I'm gonna add some Earth Balance butter. This may look good, but it doesn't. I don't think it tastes good because I tried it.
I've never had zucchini noodles, I don't think. But these don't really taste like zucchini, so.
In conclusion, if you just want to make regular pasta, that's definitely way easier than making zucchini noodles. But if you're trying to be low carb and get some extra veggies in, I mean, this is a good idea. Hey guys, our late night snack is going to be popcorn with vegan butter. And then I'm also gonna have some Hue chocolate, which is the best chocolate ever. Highly recommend this. Update, we're having another snack. I don't even eat cereal, but this just looks so good. This is probably the best cereal ever. I just never eat it.